So I'm going to add butter, sugar. So we are going to add 5 eggs. So now get egg, butter, sugar all together. So now melt chocolate and add it inside. Once evenly combined, we are going to fold the dry ingredients. Cocoa powder, refined flour, baking soda, salt. Fold the dry ingredients inside. Once it is combined evenly, to the brownie mixture we are going to add the mint essence. So we are going to make mint brownies. So combine the mint evenly. Pour it into the mold. So I'm going to add good amount of walnuts on top. You can use any other nuts also for your brownie. Slightly I'm pressing so that the walnuts can go and settle inside, so it does not get disturbed while cutting. Now I'm going to bake it at 180 degree for at least 45 minutes. Mint brownie.